Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acoustic guitars available on the market for their quality, design, and performance. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your musical journey or a seasoned player searching for a reliable guitar, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Yamaha JR1 FG Junior 3/4 size acoustic guitar. This compact guitar is designed for players with smaller hands or those who need a travel-friendly option. Modeled after Yamaha's acclaimed FG series, the JR1 retains the craftsmanship and tonal quality that Yamaha is known for. With a spruce top and mahogany back and sides, it offers a warm and balanced tone that is perfect for folk, rock, or blues. The smaller body and shorter neck make it ideal for younger players or beginners who are just starting out. In terms of design, the JR1 features a natural finish with a gig bag included for easy storage and transport. Despite its smaller size, the guitar delivers a surprisingly full and authentic acoustic sound, making it more than just a practice instrument. The rosewood fingerboard adds durability and a smooth playing experience, while the lightweight build ensures comfort during extended play sessions. On the downside, the JR1's compact size may not provide the resonance of a full-size Dreadnought, and its engineered wood construction might not appeal to purists seeking traditional solid wood builds. However, for beginners, children, or travelers, this guitar is a fantastic option that combines Yamaha's renowned quality and affordability. Coming in at number 4 is the Fender CD60S Dreadnought acoustic guitar. Fender is a legendary name in the music industry, and this guitar lives up to the brand's reputation. Featuring a classic Dreadnought body shape with all-mahogany construction, it delivers a rich, warm tone with excellent bass response. The scalloped X bracing adds structural integrity while enhancing sound projection, making it a versatile choice for genres like country, folk, or bluegrass. The CD60S stands out with its glossed finish and rounded walnut fingerboard, offering both visual appeal and a smooth playing experience. The chrome die-cast tuners ensure easy and reliable tuning, and Fender backs this guitar with a generous 2-year warranty, which speaks to its build quality and durability. Whether you're strumming chords or picking intricate melodies, this guitar offers a balanced sound and plenty of volume to fill a room. While the guitar excels in sound and build quality, it does weigh more than most beginner options, which might be a consideration for portability. Additionally, it may not include a starter kit, making it a better fit for intermediate players who already have the necessary accessories. Overall, the Fender CD60S is a fantastic option for players who want a timeless design and robust performance. At number 3, we have the Yamaha FG800J NT Dreadnought acoustic guitar. This guitar is a standout choice for beginners who want a reliable, high-quality instrument to kickstart their musical journey. With a solid spruce top and NATO mahogany back and sides, the FG800J produces a bright and balanced tone with bold low-end projection, making it suitable for a wide range of musical styles. The craftsmanship of this guitar is top-notch, with hand-applied finishes and detailed quality checks ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. The Dreadnought body shape adds volume and resonance, while the rosewood fingerboard provides a smooth playing surface for your fingers. Yamaha's attention to detail is evident in the quality hardware and appointments, making this a guitar that will perform reliably for years. It's worth noting that this guitar doesn't come with accessories, so beginners may need to purchase items like a gig bag or tuner separately. Additionally, its larger size might be a bit intimidating for younger players. However, for those looking for a guitar that combines sound quality, durability, and Yamaha's legendary craftsmanship, the FG800J NT is an excellent choice. Sliding into second place is the YMC38 Blue Beginner Acoustic Guitar Starter Package. This budget-friendly option is packed with accessories, making it perfect for newcomers who want everything they need to get started. The bundle includes a gig bag, strap, 9 picks of varying thickness, juke pick guards, a pick holder, an extra set of strings, and an electronic tuner with a battery included. For those on a tight budget, this guitar delivers exceptional value. The guitar itself boasts full wood construction with a laminated basswood body and chrome-geared tuning pegs. Its steel strings are versatile enough for various music genres, including country, jazz, and rock. The blue gloss finish is visually striking, making it a great choice for younger players or anyone who appreciates a pop of color. At just 2.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy for beginners to handle. On the downside, the laminated construction may not deliver the same tonal richness as solid wood options, and the guitar's sound might feel more limited to casual playing rather than advanced performances. However, for its price and the sheer number of accessories included, the YMC 38-inch is a fantastic starter kit for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of acoustic guitars. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ashthorpe 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Guitar Package. This guitar is specially designed for students and teens who are just starting their musical journey, and it comes with everything you need to get started. The bundle includes a nylon gig bag, 3 picks, a shoulder strap, a digital tuner, a pitch pipe, an extra set of strings, and an instructional sheet, making it an all-inclusive package for beginners. Its laminated basswood construction gives it a worn and versatile tone, while the 18 smooth frets and alloy steel strings ensure a comfortable and responsive playing experience. The high-gloss black finish adds a touch of elegance, while the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Measuring just 38 inches long, this guitar is ideal for learners who need a more manageable size without compromising on sound quality. While the Ashthorpe excels in affordability and starter-friendly design, advanced players might find its laminated construction less appealing compared to solid wood options. However, for its price, sound quality, and included accessories, the Ashthorpe 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Guitar Package is the perfect choice for anyone looking to start their musical journey with confidence. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.